Bitrefill brings mobile credit buying with Bitcoin to 113 countries. A startup called Bitrefill wants to let people top up their mobile phone credit with Bitcoin in more than 100 countries around the world. Bitrefill's website lets users punch in a mobile number, select the amount of credit they wish to add and then pay in Bitcoin. The service's founder Sergej Kotliar said that his platform, which started 2 weeks ago, allows users to top up their phones without having to travel to a local convenience store to buy credit. Kotliar said, "We do exactly what a local 7-Eleven would do in that country. They have a terminal integrated with similar types of services, and they handle the storefront and the consumer interaction." Kotliar said Bitrefill is connected to a number of third-party service distributors to process transactions. These distributors are in turn connected to various telcos around the world. This gives Bitrefill coverage with 425 operators in 113 countries, according to the startup. After Bitrefill users have entered their phone numbers and selected the amount of credit to add, they are presented with a wallet address generated by BitPay and told the amount of Bitcoin they must send. After the transaction has been confirmed on the Bitcoin network, Bitrefill's servers pay the operator. The credit is then added to the user's phone. Bitrefill doesn't charge any additional fees, although Kotliar said that the markup for phone credit ranged from none to 30%. He said this was the same as or lower than the markup added by credit card issuers. Many operators also let users buy credit online through internet banking or credit and debit cards at no additional cost to the user. But these services often work only if the user has a bank account or card issued in the operator's country. Kotliar said his service had completed hundreds of credit top-ups and that interest was strongest from countries like Indonesia, the Philippines, Egypt and Nigeria. For the remittance case to be viable, Bitcoin needs to be available in the receiving country, which right now, it isn't really, he said. Other Bitcoin entrepreneurs working on Bitcoin and remittances agree with Kotliar's analysis. Akin Fernandez, for example, runs Bitcoin voucher platform Astgo. He is looking to work with vendors in Africa. Fernandez said systems like Bitrefill could fill an important need in those markets. If they are using their mobiles as de facto banks with Bitcoin, it's important to keep them topped up so they can receive and send money, he said. Now the task is made easier with Bitrefill. This was the final episode of Bitcoin News. Because of the disgusting policy of Google to content creators, I stopped the production of new episodes.